Yes, hello everyone, welcome to an exam Femite video tutorial. Show you some more laptop tips and tricks. Now this one gonna show you what to do when your laptop is actually running really slow, not really working, definitely frustrating. So click on the Windows key, of course, then you're gonna type in CMD, then you want to click run as administrator and click yes, and then in this box you're going to actually type in sfc / scan now, then you're going to click enter, and it's going to say this process will take some time. So it is now beginning what is called verification phase of system scan. So it will be scanning your system for any virus, and also will be removing the virus. So it is counting up in terms of percentage. Once it reach 100%, then you're good to go, and you should be seeing your laptop moving a lot faster. So once again guys, this video show you what to do if your laptop is lagging or basically working too slow. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Family Tech is out of here.